Students, today we are going to discuss our worksheet 2 of page number 67. Okay. The first question, tick the correct answer. The first question is, tick the mode of communication that does not use electricity. First one is a bird, second one is television, third one is computer. What do you think? Which one does not require any electricity to run? Yes, first one. Okay, so you have to tick under the box. Question number B, tick the program that is used to make drawings in a computer. So first one, ToxPaint. Okay, this program, this symbol represents ToxPaint, MIT ToxPaint software. Okay, and as we have already done in our previous classes, MIT ToxPaint is a software that is used for drawing and coloring in a computer. Question number C, pick the mode of communication that can be used with the internet. So first one is a bird, second one your telephone fax, third one is a computer, and as we already know, the computer can be used as a mode of communication used with the internet. Okay, so third one, it means the desktop computer, PC. Okay, so you have to tick under it. Question number D, tick the tool that is used to add text to a drawing in ToxPaint. Okay, try to remember. So in ToxPaint software, this symbol ABC text is used to put text in the drawing area. So second bit is the correct answer. We have to tick the box under the ABC text symbol. Now students, open page number 68. Page number 68. Tick the options we see in the selector when the line tool is selected. So which one? If we select the line tool, then this one, brushes. Okay, brushes selector will appear, so we have to tick it under it. Okay, now question number 2, fill in the blanks using the correct option. We have to write the correct answer in the box. Okay, question number A, the text tool is used for dash text in the ToxPaint. The text tool is used for typing text in the ToxPaint. So you have to choose typing here. Okay. Now, question number B, dash is not possible by using a radio, listening to songs, watching the videos. So which one is not possible? Watching the videos, because radio doesn't have any screen, any display to show us anything. That's why we will only able to hear the sounds produced by the radio. That's why watching video is not possible by using a radio. The correct answer is watching videos. Question number C, dash tool is used to add images of the talks in our drawings. So in ToxPaint software, stamp tool is used to add images of text in our drawing. So correct answer is stamp. Okay, now question number D, the process of sharing thoughts and ideas is called dash, processing or communication? Yes, communication. Okay, the processing of sharing thoughts, the process of sharing thoughts and ideas are called communication. Question number E, dash is a mode of communication that uses electricity. Pigeon or smartphone? Smartphone. Okay, smartphone is a mode of communication that uses electricity. Do you think pigeon require any electricity? No, pigeon is a living thing. That's why it does not require any electricity to run. Whereas smartphone is a device which contains a battery, and the battery requires charging. Okay, and we charge the battery by using electricity. That's why the smartphone is a mode of communication that uses electricity. Next, state whether the following statements are true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. TalkSpace is a very costly software application. False. TalkSpace is a free software. That's why this statement is false. Question number B. A smartphone is a combination of a computer and a telephone. Yes, a smartphone is a combination of computer and telephone, because we can communicate by calling someone by using smartphone, as well as we can use the smartphone as a computer also. Question number C. We cannot print drawings created using the TalkSpace. No, this statement is false. We can print the drawings created using the TalkSpace. Okay, this statement is false. Question number D. Email is a letter sent via the internet to the user. Yes, true. True. Email is a short form of electronic mail, and electronic mail is a letter sent by the internet to the user. That's why this statement is true. Question number E. We use pigeons to send letters to people in far off places. Is it true? No, this is false. Nowadays, we are not using pigeons to send letter to people in far off places. Okay, in ancient days it may be happened, but now we are using other mode of communication like video calling software, smartphones, computers. Okay, so that's why this statement is false. Now students, open page number 69. Find the following words in the grid given below. We have to find the words in the grid. I have already pointed the numbers. So first one is lines here. Lines is here. Second one, computers. Where is computers? Here. Computer is here. Okay. Third, talks. Where is talks? We have to find the third bit here. Talks. Question number 4. Shapes. Where is shapes? Here. Shapes. Question number 5. Mobile. Here. Mobile. Question number 6. Email. Where is email? Here. E-M-A-I-L. Email here. Okay. Now students, question number 5, match the following. Here, yep, brush line. Okay, it's a symbol for brush in TalkSpace software, and this symbol represents paint. Now question number B, this symbol represent question number III. Okay, bit III stamp. Question number C, this represents bit number 2 lines. Question number D, this symbol, okay, this pentagon symbol represents shapes. And the last question number E, this symbol represents eraser tool. Okay,